Japan, car has to be inspected every 2 years. I asked my mechanic to add to install ETC leader. So this is the one. I need to buy a card. So once I get the card, then I can use ETC. And my mechanic replaced the light bulb to new one, so the time and temperature back to normal. As you can see, the wiper fixed perfectly. There is no any noise. Perfect. So thanks to my mechanic, I can restart Peugeot driving.